What is going on, everybody? Real talk episode here. This is gonna be a short vlog because I haven't filmed anything today. In fact, this is me being just totally real with y'all because I'm like not happy with my day today. This is my version of a pity party. I'm sitting here eating ice cream right now and just squandering in how pitiful I've been today. I can't walk yet. I haven't been able to work out today. In fact, I haven't been able to work out in a couple days because we had the launch, the Keto Brick launch last Wednesday, and then we had just a whole bunch of stuff to do with that. We had to like package everything up, ship everything out. Then we had the marathon, so I had to leave for that. And then since the marathon, I have not been able to walk, legitimately. So I'm just not in a good mood. I can't even like clean the house right now because I was just frustrated because I can't walk. I mean, it's pathetic. And here I am just beating myself up, and like since I haven't been able to get anything done, I've been just like a bad spot in my mind, you know, mentally, and I don't know, it's just not good. It's just not good. I've literally just zoned out watching bodybuilding YouTube clips and eating ice cream right now. So I've been eating healthy meals too. I've had like Brussels sprouts and sausage and everything today, but I didn't have any footage for today. I didn't vlog because, I mean, who wants to watch me hobble around the house? So I figured I'd make today's clip a short clip that just illustrates that there's days that I don't train, there's days that I don't feel good, there's days that I don't rock the world, and there's days that I don't get a lot of stuff done. They're very, very few and far between, and they normally follow an extreme event of some kind, like a marathon or a bodybuilding competition or something crazy like that. But I still have those days, and I want to be real with you. I want to be authentic. I don't want to try and I was racking my brain of like cool YouTube videos that I could make today, and nothing came to mind because I'm just in a bad mood and didn't want to make anything, and I didn't want to be like superficial or put on a mask and be fake with y'all. So here's me being real with y'all. I got almost all my emails done. I got my podcast out. I got all my clients checked in. So I got a lot of computer work done, but I've been just hobbling around all day. Every time I stand up for more than about 30 minutes, my feet just start throbbing. Like they swell and they start throbbing. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be back in action, feeling good again, and we'll have a normal vlog. So for me personally, you might try and use this yourself if you have those off days. But for me personally, when I can't train, when my nutrition is crappy, I need to go to the grocery store, but I haven't been able to go to the grocery store, and everything's just off, like those off days, obviously it's all in your mind, right? Like you can have a positive outlook or a negative outlook on whatever the consequences bring to you. But if the circumstances are such that I like can't physically change them, I try and just start fresh the next day, wipe the slate clean, get things done, set myself up for success tomorrow. So like I've got all my stuff done so that tomorrow I can just hit the ground running. Maybe not running, but hit the ground hard and try and be successful with the day. So that is what I'm doing. Sorry this vlog is not the normal vlog. Sorry it's short. Sorry it probably is not what you were looking for, but at least it's authentic, and that's what you're most looking for from me. So I'm staying in tune with that. So I'm going to finish up the last of my piggy butter ice cream. I'm going to rock tomorrow, get some sleep tonight, wake up at 3, and attack the day with intensity. So see you tomorrow.